Cracks in asphalt. Is it really okay to leave them untreated? Let's take a closer look at how to properly repair expansion joints, construction joints, and surface cracks. Introducing the Hon-Su Crack Sealer Block, a hot-applied, high-elasticity joint sealant designed to repair cracks and expansion joints in asphalt pavement. Crack Sealer Block is a special solution for road construction and maintenance, engineered for exceptional durability and outstanding performance. 1. Superior expansion and contraction properties. 2. Excellent resistance. 3. High elastic recovery rate. 4. Strong compatibility with asphalt. 5. Reduces road noise and improves ride quality. Crack Sealer Block is specially formulated for effective sealing of construction joints, expansion joints, and surface cracks. Each box of Crack Sealer Block contains 4 2.5 kg blocks. And for one at a depth of 0.5 centimeters, you'll need 5 kilograms of Crack Sealer Block, and for 1 centimeter depth, you'll need 10 kilograms. Whether it's expansion joints, asphalt pavement, or construction joints, Crack Sealer Block is ideal for a wide range of road repair environments. Here's how it's done. Close off traffic and cut the damaged area. Pour and spread the melted block into the repair area. Heat the Crack Sealer Block before application. Make sure the block is fully melted before use. Mix and apply aggregates as needed. Compact the area, place support plates, and apply Crack Sealer Block. Finish with a Crack Sealer Block over the aggregate surface. For general surface crack repairs, fully melt the Crack Sealer Block using a heating equipment. Pour the sealant directly into the crack and use a finishing tool to seal the surface. Allow the material to cure for 5 hours at 25 degrees Celsius. Also, please note that curing time may vary depending on ambient temperature and the depth of the repair. Finally, see how it's being used in the field.